Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn how to create custom audience in Facebook Ads Manager using mobile numbers, right? Many times what happen that you are running a business, you have a mobile number of your existing customers or like prospect customers, and you just want to showcase your ad of your business to those users who are actively using Facebook or Instagram using the same number, like they have created their account on Facebook and Instagram using those mobile numbers and are actively using this social media platform, and now you want to showcase your business ad on Facebook and Instagram targeting those mobile numbers. Then how to create custom audience using mobile number? As you can see, I am into my Facebook Ads Manager. In the left side we have audiences option, so we are into audiences web page. Now we will click on create audience, custom audience. We will select the customer list as data source, click on next. Here we will click on download file template. So the sample file have been downloaded, we just need to open it. This is in CSV format, so I hope you have activated Microsoft Excel software in your system, right? So as we are going to target users by using their mobile numbers, so we just don't need that email column, right? So we are just going to delete these email columns. I have selected them and click on delete, and we are also going to delete all these columns as we don't need these columns. I have selected them and clicked on delete, and here these are the sample numbers. We have selected this and clicked on delete. Right now we just need to enter the mobile numbers of our customers whom we are going to target our ads. As you can see, I have entered my mobile number with country code. Now this particular number has automatically got converted in exponential, right? As you know, like if a figure is having more than 10 numbers, then automatically it gets converted into exponential. So don't worry, right? Just select this column, and here in the Excel you will get an option of general to number, right? And then as you can see, the exponential number have been converted into number, and the whole number is getting displayed, but we have two decimals in the end that we can remove by clicking on this button again. Okay, so in this way you can enter the rest of the mobile numbers whom you want to showcase your ad. You can add like thousands of numbers together, right? And then click on save simply. Okay, I have saved this file, and now again I will come back to my Facebook Ads Manager, and as you can see, we have this screen where we left. Right now we just want to import, so we will click on next, and here it is asking us to drag and drop the file or choose the file on your device. We will click on this. Keep this in mind that it only accepts .csv format, so you just simply download the sample CSV file and just edit it and like save it back and re-upload that same file. So I have selected the file from my downloads and have clicked on open, right? And now I can enter the audience name, whatever the name you just want to keep. For example, I am going to trial one mobile numbers. I'm giving this audience the name, and here there is a check-in box. By ticking this box, you agree to create custom audience. Click on next, and here you can see that the map is 1 and phone number, as we have only entered the phone number, right? So no need to worry, import and create, and it will create our custom audience. One row uploaded, done, and you can see that the trial one mobile number custom audience has been created and is populating and will get ready in next 24 to 48 hours automatically. So in this manner you can create custom audience of users whom you have mobile number already. It might be your prospect leads or it might be your existing customers, right? And you can show them retargeting ads by creating a new ad campaign and targeting the custom audience of mobile number users that you have just created as of now. If you want to learn digital marketing course in detail, then kindly check out our video description. I have mentioned my website link over there. Just simply visit our website, explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.